Hi everyone, Kim Libby here. The title of my article is How Reader's Theater, a Reading Fluency Activity, Fits into the New ELAR TEKS. It's not a very exciting title, so if anyone has a suggestion on how to jazz it up, I would appreciate it. Although the title actually describes exactly what the article is about, so it does do that. Brief description. Excuse me, it's all about fluency. Fluency, when reading and fluency improves, reading comprehension improves. Fluency is the link to comprehension. And this is my capstone project, capstone idea. One of the fluency building activities that I came across was Reader's Theater. And Reader's Theater, if you're not familiar with it, it's a group activity where a group of students are reading a script. And all they're doing is reading. There's no act. There's no props. There's no really costumes. But students read, and they read with expression. And I found research that showed that Reader's Theater benefits all students, whether it's a student that is on level, a struggling reader. I found lots of articles that talked about how Reader's Theater benefited English language learner students. Improvements for everyone, improvements in fluency, improvements in comprehension. A lot of students, it kind of brought them out of their shell. Shy students all of a sudden gained confidence. So it was a really great project. When I presented this idea to Dr. Tovar Hilbert, she wanted me to kind of narrow it down, and she suggested very nicely that maybe I could see how fluency fit in with the new ELAR TEKS. And this particular activity fits in really, really nicely because with Reader's Theater, students are listening, they're obviously speaking, they're obviously reading, and you can tie it in with writing as well. So Reader's Theater actually connects all of those different literacy skills. I became interested in fluency with the reading assessment class we took this summer. And fluency is, I really like this visual, fluency really is the bridge between word recognition and comprehension. And if there is a break in fluency, if there's a break in that bridge, there really is an interruption in comprehension. And one of the fluency building activities that I came across was Reader's Theater. And like I said before, it improves it improves fluency. The articles I found improves fluency in all students. It improves comprehension. It helps with confidence too. It was interesting because there were teachers that were talking about reading comprehension levels, and they had students that were improving, a half a year, a full year, sometimes even 2 years in their reading level. So pretty impressive. So I plan on submitting my article to English in Texas, which is a journal of the TCTLELA, and I plan on submitting it for the spring-summer 2020 issue. And in the latest issue, when they talk about call for manuscripts, they kind of describe the different things that they're looking for. But one question that they mentioned, which really kind of fits in with what I'm doing. The question was, how do we engage students with integrated standards and teach them to absorb a variety of text, which I think sounds a lot like what this article is about. So I think it'll be a good fit. So that's what I've got. Let me know what you think. If you have any thoughts or ideas, let me know. Thanks so much.